Triangle C is a smaller version of Triangle A. It has 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If you're making your blanket the same size as mine, you'll need to make 33 of these little triangles. Making Triangle C is exactly the same as making Triangle A. You just do 6 rows instead of 12. So we're going to begin with the double magic ring. Yarn end in your left hand, wrap your yarn around 2 fingers twice. Pull a loop up through the center of that ring, yarn over and make a chain. Now we're going to make 2 more chains, and that's counted as our double crochet. Chaining 1 for a corner. Now we're going to do a granny cluster into the magic ring. So that's 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1 for our center corner and another granny cluster, 1, 2 and 3 double crochets, chain 1 at the end and 1 more double crochet into the magic ring, taking your hook off your work, pulling gently on the yarn end to see which loop cinches in. Grab hold of that loop and pull it out so the other one works its way in. Now you can gently pull your yarn end and both loops are now in. Now we're going to chain 3, that counts as a double crochet. Chain 1 more for a corner. Turn your work and we're going to work a granny cluster into that space directly below. That's 1, 2 and 3 double crochets. Now we're going to come to this corner point here. We're going to do 1 granny cluster with 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Now we chain 1 and work a granny cluster back into that same space. So we're really making a corner here. 1, 2 and 3. Now we're going to skip this granny cluster and work another cluster into this space on the very left hand side. 1, 2 and 3, chain 1 and now make another double crochet into that same space. That's 2 rows done. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and turn your work. Now we'll do a granny cluster in that space directly below. 1, 2 and 3 double crochets. Now we're going to do a granny cluster along the side of the triangle in that space below. 1, 2 and 3. Now we're coming to that point. We're going to do a granny cluster, a chain 1 and another granny cluster. 1, 2 and 3. We'll do a granny cluster on this side of this triangle. 1, 2 and 3. And now we're going to do 1 into this space on the left. 1, 2 and 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet into that space. All right, go along with your little triangle, do a few more rows and I'll meet you up for the last one, which will be number 6. Now I've done 5 rows and I'm on to the 6th. So it's best to count the rows for this one up the center. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then all we have to do is finish off down this left hand side, and this little triangle, which is called Triangle C, will be complete. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, double crochet, and then we're done. Rightio, just snip off your yarn, darn your ends in, and you're right to go.